By here, and as he drives by here, y'all give him a big hand. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. This mud hole has never been conquered. No one has ever gone the entire length of the slough and gotten out. He did it in 4.5 minutes. In the almost decade of this park being open, no one has ever made it through this mud hole. We still got 3 more trucks though, folks. They got to beat 4:33. Never been in the hole. All right, tell us about your co-pilot up here.
That's my wife.
Her word of thanks there. Hey, well, tell us about the secret to get through this thing.
I don't really know if there is a secret. You just gas hole into the floor all the way.
Well, we're really excited. We're really proud. This place has been open almost a decade, and no one has ever gotten in this mud hole, gone the entire length, and gotten out. And you did it in 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Woo! You guys, let's give it up for Dustin. That was an amazing show. Hey, real quick, we got 3 more trucks that are coming through, so you'll be watching the clock at 4:33, won't you? Well, we're really excited for you. All right, well, take a seat and let's see how these next 3 trucks go. Y'all give it up again one last time for Dustin. Folks, he's going to miss his way by here, and as he drives by here, y'all give him a big hand. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. This mud hole has never been conquered. No one has ever gone the entire length of the slough and gotten out. He did it in 4.5 minutes. We still got 3 more trucks though, folks. They got to beat 4:33. Decade of this park being open, no one has ever made it through this mud hole. Up here, fighting for the king. Also, Dustin, on behalf of Fish Officers Park, we'd like to say thank you for being the first person in the almost decade that this place has been open. You know, from the beginning of the school all the way to the end and grew out in less than 4 to 33 is absolutely incredible. You're doing a great show. We're so grateful. Hey, just one technicality. You did run over 2 orange barrels over there. And those are $5,000 each, so we'll screw them up after this, so we'll be good. No, we want to thank you, and let's turn it over to Jay just for a few words.
Hey Dustin, congratulations, and I have one question for you. What are you going to buy with the money?
I'll build a shop.
There you go, folks. He's going to build a shop. All right, anybody wants a truck built, this might be the man to talk to. All right, here we go.
Hey, hold it up.
Yeah, let's get a few pictures there.